This will be a brief history of the Franchise Operations Manual, brought to you by FranMan. In the beginning, there were monks, and these guys were the only ones who were allowed to know anything. They were responsible for protecting and managing all the knowledge. But they had to do it on crappy scrolls, and it was all handwritten, and they used funny words back then. Not a very good way to handle that task. Next, a clever fellow named Gutenberg got famous for using the newest technology of the time, a printing press. And everybody was like, dude, high five, now we don't have to write everything down anymore. And they could print lots of pages and mash them together and make a book. It was awesome. As time passed, people kept using books, and the technology of the book never really changed that much. Even today, when we have super cool rocket ships that take us to space stations orbiting the Earth, some folks are still using paper manuals. Sure, they have color and stuff now, but they're still books. But things are different now. The future is here. We have laptops, tablets, even smartphones, and we can access libraries of manuals on any one of those devices. So why don't we? Introducing the Online Manual by FranMan, the modern version of ye old Ops Manual. It doesn't matter what flavor of operating system you use. If you have an internet connection, you'll always be just a few clicks away from your manual. So, who is this superhero FranMan, and why is his online ops manual so good? First of all, it's all web-based. Not that kind of web, the internet web. That means it's very much like your own private Wikipedia that is all about your ops manual. That includes content, support, documents, videos, you name it. If you can do it on a web page, we can put it in your manual. No way. And if you're thinking this is a dusty old PDF sitting in a document library somewhere, wrong. Think Wiki. Another reason the Online Manual by FranMan is so cool is this. Do you see these guns here? Those are his search muscles. That's right. FranMan has a robust search engine that lets you search your operations manual and your document library, just like Google. Really, I'm not kidding you. Let's see, what else can the incredible FranMan do? Did we mention that you can show videos in your franchise ops manual now? No joke. We don't care where you store them. We can embed them right where they need to be. And we'll throw in the sound for free. I know, right? Let's talk about one last feature and then we'll wrap this up. Manual updates. Everybody's got them. No one wants to do them. I feel your pain. Usually, this tedious task is passed down to the lowest person on the totem pole. Meet Billy. Now, do you want Billy in the mailroom updating your ops manual? Or do you want FranMan managing your updates? A company that specializes in producing world-class franchise operations manuals. The choice is crystal clear, right? Hey guys, we just talked about a few of the features of the Online Manual by FranMan. If you want a private, no sales pressure, no strings attached demonstration of the online platform that we created specifically for franchisers like you, then just call us. It just so happens to be our favorite topic.